Hi everyone, and welcome to this talk on URL navigation in Connect apps. My name is Antoine Benin, and I am a software architect with Elements. About Elements, we're a Gold Marketplace partner, and we won the Atlassian App Innovator Award in 2021. We have several cool apps for both Jira and Confluence. Now, back to this talk. If we have a Connect app that has a single-page web app with multiple screens, for instance, in an admin page, URL navigation will allow our users to use the back and forward buttons of their navigator to browse through our screens. It will also allow us to create deep links, that is, direct links to specific screens within our single-page web app. We can then use these links to improve navigation between different parts of our app, or simply let our users bookmark or share the links. Now, how to implement this? 3 steps. The first one is we have to add React Router to our app. Here, we'll use the latest version of React Router, which is v6. The main part is adding a top-level router. Here, we're using the hash router, which is provided by the library, and then define the routes for our app. Here, in this example, we have 4 routes that match different screens of our app. We have 3 top-level screens, a home page, a currencies page, a settings page, and we have a nested route that links to a details screen under the currencies page. Now, once we have that, the back and forward buttons are working, but as you can see, the address bar URL doesn't change when we navigate. And this is because our iframe does not have access to the host product address bar. So on to step 2. How do we get control of the host product address bar? For that, we'll make use of the Connect JavaScript API history module. This module defines a couple of functions that gives us access to the host product address bar from within our application. Some of these functions allow us to change the URL. Others allow us to subscribe to changes in the URL. We'll customize React Router to make use of this API, and the first step here is to define a navigator object that React Router will call upon navigation events. This object has 4 functions, and we'll map those functions to the Connect history module. The next step is to define a custom router, which we'll name Connect Router. And in this custom router, we'll use the low-level router object provided by the library. We'll have to provide this router with the navigator object we defined earlier. And then we'll also provide the current location of our app that we'll store in local state. As you can see, upon mounting, we subscribe to changes in the host product address bar through the Connect History API. Back to the route definition, we simply replace the hash router with our custom Connect router. And that's it for step 2. We have the address bar changing when we navigate through our screens. However, opening links in a new tab doesn't work yet. That leads us to step number 3, how to fix the deep links. Again, we'll use the Connect JavaScript API and the getLocation function. This function allows our application to fetch the host product base URL. Back to the navigator object, we'll expand on the create href function so that it can build links upon a base URL. And then back to our Connect router, we'll use the getLocation function to fetch and store the host product base URL and initialize the start location by parsing the address bar URL. And that's it. We have it all. Working back and forward buttons, host product address bar tightly coupled to our application states, and deep links we can open in new tabs or reference from other parts of our app. In this example, we made a link directly from the glance view to the settings screen of our admin page. That's it for this talk. You can find the complete source code for this talk at the URL below. Thanks for watching and have a great dev day.